If you're in need of some earthworks, then Ian Kinnear's Bobcat Mini Excavator hire is the business for you. Owner-operator Ian Kinnear can offer you over 30 years experience in the excavating industry. He offers you genuine advice and suggests practical ways to get the job done correctly and on time. He is locally owned and operated business that serves Tari and the surrounding towns. He will offer you a prompt and reliable service. He also takes pride in delivering the most high quality service and will exceed every customer's expectations. He offers you a range of services from a range of machinery. These include the tipper, Bobcat and the excavator. With this he's able to do site preparations, trenching, footings, drainage, slab preparations, site cuts, post hole boring, landscaping, general cleanup, irrigation, land clearing, land levelling, livestock burial, pier holes, driveways, swimming pool hole digs, retaining walls and much more. So if you're in the need for some earthworks, then Ian Kinnear's Bobcat Mini Excavator hire is definitely the business that you should ring, as he will exceed every expectation you have and do it using all his 30 years experience in the excavating industry.